Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of today. Today's topic is government to prioritize rare diseases and orphan drugs under new research and innovation scheme. The Indian government is prioritizing research and innovation in rare diseases and orphan drugs through its new research and innovation scheme. Here's a breakdown of the government's efforts in this area. Revision of the PRIP scheme. The government is revising its production linked incentive PLI scheme, likely the scheme for promotion of research and innovation in pharma medtech sector or PRIP, to strengthen support for rare diseases and orphan drugs. This includes incentives for companies developing treatments for rare diseases. National Policy for Rare Diseases NPRD 2021. This policy provides financial support up to 50 lakhs for rare disease patients undergoing treatment at designated centers of excellence. National Fund for Rare Diseases. The Delhi High Court mandated the creation of the NFRD with the allocation of 974 crore for the financial year 2024 and 25 and 2025 and 26, emphasizing patient-centric policies and expanded treatment access. It's important to note, however, that the Supreme Court has stated the implementation of the NFRD according to Niti Niyaman. Indigenous manufacturing and affordable access. Initiatives like the inclusion of pharmaceuticals in the PLI scheme and waiving clinical trial requirements for certain rare diseases aim to encourage domestic manufacturing and reduce the cost of rare disease treatments. Drug repurposing. Repurposing existing drugs for new rare disease applications is being explored to accelerate treatment development and reduce R&D costs. Focus on research and development. The Department of Health Research has established the National Consortium for Research and Development on Therapeutics for Rare Diseases to streamline research activities in this area. The impact and challenges. The positive impact of the scheme is government support has already shown positive results in reducing treatment costs for some rare diseases according to the Press Information Bureau. The ongoing challenges are, despite these efforts, significant challenges remain, including the high cost of advanced therapies, limited access to treatment, the need for more robust epidemiological data on rare diseases in India, and the lack of the dedicated Orphan Drug Act, according to Niti Niyaman. Patient groups continue to advocate for sustainable funding and policy improvements. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.